Okay, you've got a Frigidaire Affinity front-facing washer and dryer. And I just wanted to show you, it's kind of hard to see right now, but they are in the wash cycle. Got it set to just normal settings, got 30 minutes left. It's been going for about 10 minutes, washing those clothes, set to high spin. So what I'll let you see, we'll come back to the spin cycle so that you can see it's spinning very quickly and nice and quiet. So then we'll move them over to the dryer and let you see that the dryer works. Okay, we are on that final spin cycle, and it's kind of hard to see inside, but it's actually spinning really fast. It's doing an excellent job. It's nice and quiet. It's got 4 minutes left of this high-speed spin cycle, which is great because those clothes will come out just about dry when we move them over to the dryer, and I'll show you that and let you get a listen to the dryer. But there it is. One thing to make sure of on these is to adjust the feet properly. Got to make sure it's nice and level and there's no play in the feet, and it has adjustable feet. So one thing to note. And otherwise, yep, it is good to go, and we'll switch over to the dryer and let you listen to that. So this one finished up. That's what the inside looks like. It's nice and clean in there. And we got to move over to the dryer. And they are nice and light, so it spun very quickly and got most of the water out of them, which is great. Some of these newer ones, nice light in there. So we just turn this to activate it. We're gonna say we go towels because there's a lot of jeans and towels in there. Max heat. Oh, I don't want that. Let's just go high and then hit start. And what I want to show you too is that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So there's your temperature. We'll let it run for just a sec. Sounds good. No weird noises. It's not shaking. It's not wobbly. Open this up and I'll shoot that right in there. So you can see plenty of heat. That's where the heat actually comes up. And then the inside heats up. So there you go. So you know it works good. That way you know when you spend your money that everything works as it should. And appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we'll get these listed up for sale. Thanks.